Hi, are you recovering from a knee injury and wondering how to make sense of your KOOS score? Well, I'm here to explain to you the purpose of normative values and explain how to interpret your KOOS results. To start, test results are often difficult to interpret because what is defined as normal is relative and differs between different people. This is where normative values come in. Normative data identifies what is normal or typical within a specific population. By having normative data available, this allows you to interpret your test scores by allowing you to compare your scores with the scores of other people with similar characteristics as you. For example, if you had just had ACL surgery and have a given pain KOOS score, you can determine if the level of pain you're experiencing is similar, better, or worse compared to other people who have also had ACL surgeries. To find out what the normal KOOS scores are for different populations, check out part 2 of the KOOS blog series on the Curovate website.